So I'm just going to dip the brush into the product, and I might wipe some of the excess off on the back of my hand because I don't want to go in too heavy to start with. Okay. It's very pigmented, but you can blend it pretty easily, which is good in case you make a mistake. I'm just gonna work some of the product backwards to get it underneath some of my hairs. Okay, so I'm gonna do the next one. And this is the finished result. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and also let us know what products you'd like us to try next. Bye, guys.